The belt cover allows access to the drive belt for service. The belt cover can be damaged by something falling on the saw or over-tightening a mounting screw. This will usually lead to a cracked or broken off mount. Sometimes the cover can be damaged by a failed drive belt or a loose belt pulley. Replacing the belt cover is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before making any repairs to your miter saw or any other power tool, make sure that you have it unplugged. The belt cover is secured to the saw with 3 screws. I'll go ahead and remove those. With the screws removed, now I can remove the belt cover. The new belt cover installs by aligning it to the saw and securing it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to install a new belt guard on your DeWALT Miter Saw.